What's up guys, welcome to the Hardware82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about the microphones. Not any microphones, we will be testing very affordable / cheap microphone that could be used for many purposes. Doesn't matter if you are a streamer, if you are a gamer, if you are a maybe singer, or simply you just wanna use it for work. So if you wanna know something about this product, stay tuned. Alright guys, recently I made proper research and now you don't have to. I was looking for, I will be honest, I was looking for something cheap. I need it for gaming purposes, but also because I have this, my new hobby. I was thinking about making videos using different microphone. At the moment I'm using this one. It's a very good microphone, quality is great, but yeah, I like to play games as well, so I thought I need something like this. I browsed the internet to the probably last page there, and I found this one. The microphone company MAONO, I don't know if I pronounced this right. Very good reviews, so let's have a look. This company, MAONO, is probably more known in US market for some reason. I've seen many reviews from people from United States. I found it on eBay. And yeah, let's have a look. The current price is around $40, 40 quid. I must say I bought this for half of that. It's a USB microphone, USB 2.0. No need to use better ports, so all good. Alright, inside the box we have another box with cables, probably manual, and the microphone itself. I must say the first impression is quite fine, it's quite good, it's quite heavy, looks solid. That obviously is a plastic, but that is a piece of steel. Yeah, it's heavy. Obviously you can adjust this as much as you want. In the front you have a knob with ability to click. It has 3 different options. First is for the mute, so if you press just one, it will mute the microphone. If you press twice, you will be able to adjust the mic sound. And the third option is to adjust the volume of the headphones, because it has a headphone jack, USB 3, and the button that you can change the lights, because it has RGB lights. So yeah, first impression, very nice. It feels premium, to be fair. Okay, let's quickly have a look what's in the box. USB-C cable, okay, and the manual. Let's have a look quickly what we have in the manual. Maybe something important. Okay guys, so the microphone is in the front, so the best quality of the voice will be if you talk to this direction where the knob is. So just keep it in mind, because if you're making, let's say, a podcast and you want to share this with few people and they are like sitting around, you might have a problem, because the person that sits in front of this microphone will have the best possible voice quality. The other ones not so much. It will, I'm sure it will pick it up, but the best quality will be here. So just imagine that in front of that knob you have like a ball. So this area is the best area to talk with. So ideally you wanna place it in front of you, talk to this like that. Obviously you can adjust the angle. Also, this is detachable. And you can use it arm. So yeah, in my case right now, I will be having microphone upside down and I will be talking, in my case, like this. So yeah, this is freaking great, just yeah. I can sing. Yes, and I can sing now. Okay, so you have different options. All right, what else we've got here? There is a special software for this to download, and you can play a bit with the lights, whatever you want. Also, this is quite interesting when you are a gamer and you want to make your voice a little bit more interested. There is a software, just by press of the button you can add some power to your voice to make sounds more interesting. So cool. Also, when I was checking the website, you can play a little bit with the other settings to clear the background sound. So to be fair, for $40 you are getting a lot. Okay, so this is something about the guide. If you have a problem with setting this up, this manual will be very handy. Specification. Okay, and the other languages. So yeah, that's pretty much that's it. Okay, let's start this puppy and have a look what we are dealing here with. All right, USB-C. All right, guys, for now I will just connect this like this. Let's have a look. And the beautiful RGB lights just came on. All right, so we have a USB microphone device. Okay, looks like it's working. Testing, testing. Okay, one moment. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. All right, guys, testing, testing. I'm testing this microphone from 50 centimeters. Okay, I'm going closer. 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. 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 I am very close to the microphone, very close. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's compare this to my normal microphone, which I'm wearing here. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. 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 Guys, to be fair, I'm very impressed. So far, so good. The microphone looks great, feels great, feels like you are holding premium device. Again, that was only $40. $40 brand new on the website, and they are selling this in the different colors, so you can have like a pink, purple, black and white, so depends from your needs. You can choose it. Probably in my case white could be also good, but I'm happy with the black. Again, I bought this for half of the price on eBay. There's anything worth mentioning? Probably arm, like I was showing you before, would be very handy to have. So if you are a gamer, streamer, you're making podcasts, think like this is probably a must, but not necessarily. Cheap ones, they are like, you can have something like this for $10, but they will be very, very cheap basically. And if you're looking for something better that will hold without any problems, without the squeaky noises, and will be steady as elephant, you need to pay at least $40 for something like that. Quickly, guys, let's go on the manufacturer website to have a look at the few more things. Oh, it's actually $49.99, sorry for that. Different colors, like I mentioned. Yeah, just look at that. That looks really nice. The head jack here, so if you want to connect your favorite headset, that is not a problem at all. So you can play, listen and talk in the same time, obviously. Alright guys, that's gonna be, that was just a quick review unboxing of this microphone. So if you're looking for something for you that is very affordable, look no further. I did the proper research before I bought this, so I wouldn't recommend something that is basically shit because I bought it to myself. So yeah, so I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting, consider subscribing, and yeah, thank you very much, and see you next time. Thank you, bye.
You won't break my soul. 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 You won't break my soul.